Enterprise AI coding just grew teeth, and this time it is not just about speed. It is about security. With GPT 5.2, OpenAI upgraded Codex into what it calls its most advanced agentic coding model yet, built for real-world software engineering and large-scale refactors. GPT 5.2 Codex is optimized for long-horizon work, meaning it can operate across massive code bases, extended sessions, and changing plans without losing context. Here is the big shift. As AI gets better at building software, it also gets better at understanding how software breaks. OpenAI is now designing Codex with cybersecurity in mind from the start. Quick reminder: if this kind of AI breakdown helps you stay ahead, hit like, subscribe, and comment on how your team is using AI today. OpenAI says GPT 5.2 Codex is its strongest cybersecurity model so far. It topped the company's capture the flag evaluations thanks to its ability to reason across multiple context windows. On CVE-Bench, it scored 87%, outperforming previous Codex models on vulnerability discovery tasks. In long-form cyber range tests, it achieved a 72.7% pass rate, showing it can handle realistic security scenarios over time. For enterprises, this matters. Codex now performs better on accuracy, supports large refactors, code migrations, and feature builds, and continues iterating even when plans change or attempts fail. It also shows improved performance on Windows environments. At the same time, OpenAI is being cautious. It is piloting invite-only access to more permissive models for vetted professionals doing defensive cybersecurity work, aiming to balance powerful capabilities with responsible deployment. The takeaway is simple. Enterprise AI coding is moving from convenience to capability. Teams that treat AI as a long-running collaborator, not just a code generator, will have a serious advantage. If you want to understand where AI coding and security are heading next, watch the related video in the corner right now. And if you are building with AI today, do not wait. Start redesigning your workflows for agentic coding now, or risk falling behind fast.